What is this? Hydrogen. See, I know chemistry, right? So that. What is this? Oxygen.
It's lines on a board.
Hydrogen. No, hydrogen is a gas, isn't it? What is the quality of hydrogen? It's gas, right? And it has a quality of explosive, right? It's explosive gas. How about oxygen? Oxygen favors combustion, right? Right? If you get rid of oxygen from the fire, then you won't have fire, right? So this favors combustion. This is explosive. And how about this guy? I balanced it. It's automatically happening, I don't know why. Right? Okay. What is this? Water. What is the quality of water? It's extinguish fire. It's liquid. From where does this quality come from? From hydrogen or oxygen? Okay, you say combination, right? So hydrogen or oxygen? You say both, right? Okay, then either one of these should have at least little bit amount of that quality. Of what? Liquid or fire extinguishing.
It depends on the temperature.
It depends on the temperature, of course, and also this is also depends on the temperature, right? So I'm talking about, let's say, room temperature, RT and 1 ATM. See, I'm talking to scientists, so I know this is the way we think. No, what happened here is, this quality cannot be found from hydrogen. This quality cannot be found from oxygen. This is a quality that is coming because of the two causes are contributing each other. You know, the electrons, protons, neutrons are there. Electrons, protons, neutrons are there. Right? And here also what? Electrons, protons, neutrons. Same thing, same old, same old. The same things are there. Right? Right? What happened here is, you know, the electrons that coming from oxygen, does that electron hate hydrogen's electron? You go away, I don't like you, you're from oxygen. No, what they're doing, right? It's in a process. So it's not something fixed, something made. There's a continuously flow happening. Electrons, protons, neutrons are flowing. You know that there's a process happening. I can say like this. Do you understand this? Yeah. This is not something made, this is being made. This is not a product, but it's a product. Producting. ING.